Hello everyone, so seeing as I've got the top off, I've just filmed a special wash video. I'll be releasing this video obviously after I've released that one. But I thought I'd just show you the inside of this machine in much more detail than like a lot of the videos on YouTube actually show these machines. So obviously you've got your standard drum. As you can see, these machines do use a curved concrete weight rather than a pure flat one. It is something that's unique to these machines. This is your AquaTech hose. This bracket here, the black one, is the first fault that this machine had. That screw that's in, even though it's actually starting to, it looks like it's loosened up a wee bit, honestly. Could be wrong though, like. Yeah, it looks like it's loosened up a tiny bit. So it does. Don't know why it has, don't know how it has, but it looks like it has. But that wee screw came out of that bracket, which loosened it, and basically this hose flung out and was smacking against the side, so it was. If we zoom right down to the bottom, if it can focus, we have got the machine. You can see the front ballast there. We've got, I think that's the machine's one of the feet, I could be wrong, and then the machine's pumps are like somewhere there. That's a door lock. No, so it is, I think. Yeah, that's a door lock. But down at the very bottom is the machine's pump. If we come back to the top, obviously you've got your soap dispenser. Come to the main PCB, you've got your drum light. You turn that machine on, you can see the drum light turn on, you can actually see it through the seal. Obviously you've got the door seal retaining band on the drum itself. You can see the main control panel there. And you can also see the lights on it, as you can see. There is like multiple that you can see. It just depends on like the settings. So like you can hear the beeps and all. If you change the temperature right up, you can see the light for it. The temperature there, spin speed, and then the times behind the bracket. And then I'm gonna actually turn, oh, is that the, oh, yes it is. I'm gonna turn on the Bluetooth. You can see it flashes there for the Bluetooth light. So it does. Over here on the side, you've got another control panel. I presume this is the machine's main motherboard or something. Most likely that's because it has like a buckload of wires on it. And I presume that's what controls the whole machine pretty much. Down here, we've got two springs. So you have to hold up this drum. For some reason there's rust on them. Don't ask me why, especially on a 9-month-old machine. But both of the springs have rust in the exact same place. I do not know why. If we come over to here, you have the machine's AquaTech read sensor. This is the thing that's bust on my cousin's one. So it is the E71 error code problem. There's a cable from that goes underneath the concrete weight and connects to like a magnet thing underneath it, but I can't exactly show you because of the way it is. I can't even get the camera to focus. No, it's not focusing, is it? If I tap the bottom. No, I can't get it to focus. Oh, come on. No, it's not playing ball with me. No, I can't get it to focus, sorry about that. I don't want to drop my phone into the machine, like. Actually, I'm going to turn this, I need to turn this off at the wall. Is it still on? It is, oops. Turn that off. I'm going to turn this off at the wall just. So, obviously, I don't want to get electrocuted. Let's see. If I do this. We see into the machine. That's the top of the weight. No, I can't get it to focus. Oh, no. no, can't get it to focus, sorry about that. And then, obviously in that valve's there, main suppressor, drain hose, it runs along the bottom of the machine, as you can see there, and then it comes up. If I kind of show you, I don't know if I'll be able to, I'll try there, a few cobwebs. Somewhere around here is the machine's inverter module, aka the thing that loves to reset 24/7. So, I don't know, it's somewhere around here, it's near the back, so it is. I think it might be like that red piece, or else that's for the pump. Sorry, my thing's going out of focus to hell. That's really awkward. It's somewhere there anyway. I think that's the cables for it. So it is, it's somewhere along here. Then the motor's somewhere. I think the motor's on like the right side, or else it's on the left. I can't even remember honestly if it's on this side or if it's on the other. Could be completely wrong on that one. That's the bottom of the machine. You can see the wires going to the inverter module. I can't even get my phone to focus on that wee thing. Come on. Because of them, all them wires there. But yeah, you get the gist of it. So it is. So yeah, it's quite an interesting machine. On the inside, especially that AquaTech reed sensor thing. I don't think it's ever been like properly shown on YouTube before. Like at first I thought it was a card like thing that slipped into the back of the drum here, but it's not. It's like this thing there, and then that black thing. There's like a magnet or some. There's a magnet on the drum paddle, and then there's another magnet on the reed sensor, and it detects where the other magnet is on the paddle, and then that's how it stops turning to activate the jet, which is here of course, like I said. And that just connects to that plastic thing. That's actually like foam or something, that black thing. Yeah, it's like protection foam, it looks like. Strange. So yeah, and then that just goes all the way in underneath the drum. Underneath the concrete weight into the drum, so that does. So yeah, quite an interesting machine. On the inside, definitely one of the more interesting ones I've seen. Even though the Dyson's a bit, it's like top interesting honestly. But yeah, nonetheless, it's still a very interesting machine to see. So that's the inside of the machine. Hope that maybe showed you a wee bit what these are like on the inside. The Beyond series are probably very similar to this, only the tub is much wider on them than it is on this one. But yeah, that's it.